The summer rain washes over my soul. I stand upright, erect, aligned, arms outstretched as far and as wide, naked, exposed, unashamed, willing, open, and free, welcoming every drip and every drop a therapeutic tonic, a soothing salve. Let the water cascade upon my head, stream down my neck, and flow over my chest and back, drenching my entire body, cleansing every inch. Let it find every crease, every crevice, every wrinkle, every scar. At first softly and then strong, the rain heals my wounds, outside and inside. It refreshes my senses and leaves me tingling in each and every tiny cell, stimulating, invigorating, awakening, living, loving, alive. Everything that I am, inside and outside. Every tie to nature, to the universe, to you and to me, to the cosmic connection that holds us all together, that which holds us up and supports us. Astonishing, stunning, mind-opening, awesome, vast, yet surprisingly simple, completely attainable, easy to affix, effortless to join, connect, unite. This ain't no social media. This is the mother, the creation, living, dying, rebirthing, all existing in harmony, always there and always aware, like a conscious spider web, the roots of a vine, a beautiful brushed aside weed, an ancient giant redwood tree, the mycelium of humanity, all one, never alone, live, alive, live, a life, life, each drop of rain, a macrocosm, no matter how small, because rain brings life. It nourishes, it nurtures, it provides, it brings us to life, and vice versa. Water, essential, vital, indispensable, rising to its own level, free without boundaries, no separation, earnest, equal, all together, all one. Be like water. Stand in the rain and let life come back. Let the cycle continue without and within you. Connect. Don't reject. Leave your raincoat at home. Take off your boots and jump barefoot in the puddles. Turn your umbrella upside down and sail off to Spain. Embrace your entire you. Let your inner child take the reins. Love yourself with everything you got. Let go of hate and don't hesitate to celebrate that you are great. Our imperfections make us unique. So let go and let it flow. Accept and don't object. Water is love. Water is life. And rain is a hug from the goddess. Embrace, enjoy. Inhale, exhale. Appreciate all of your emotions and let them pass as all things shall. Let the rain wash them away and start another day. Come back to positive. Be happy. Be healthy. Heal for real. Love, and let yourself be loved. The summer rain washes over my soul.